Hey guys, Doom Hogue. Today I am going to show you sound effects I was using on my episode 1 on season 4. I'm going to tell you why I couldn't download on Video Shop, because I'm going to download the link description down below from Silver of Progress or Funks, whatever it is. Was sharing sound effects for ourselves and stuff, make our videos cool enough. I tried it 2 times, 3, 4 times, and it didn't work on my tablet, so I can only do it on my phone. So sorry about that, guys. Also, let me tell you guys, I have a Q&A now. I already uploaded like a couple, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, on my other channel, Blood Rocker. I'll repeat my other channel again. It's Blood Rocker. I'll spell it. So you guys, if you want to go check it out, ELOOD space ROCKER. Time. LOOD space ROCKER for rocker. But it's gotta be a capital B and then lower L and then lower OO and then A and then space and then maybe another capital R and then capital R and then letters OCKER. If you can't find it, just go to Blood Rocker channel and it'll show it right there. So yeah, I have a Q&A on the channel, and I want you guys to comment down below. You can ask me, aka Leo the Hedgehog, my first brother, Dash the Hedgehog, a different Dash the Hedgehog, Jack the Hedgehog, the future me, Leo the Hedgehog. He's finally been completed now. I will show you in a future episode of Blood Rocker. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Or you can ask, Shadow, Sonic, and Silver. Shadow the Hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog, maybe Silver the Hedgehog or Blaze the cat, maybe. I don't really know. So, but right now, just comment down below and ask a Q&A. Just ask Leo the Hedgehog, me, Dash the Hedgehog, Jack the Hedgehog, or future me, Leo the Hedgehog. Anyways, I'll show you the soundtracks. Not soundtracks, the sound effects I was using. So really, it's Sonic, the Return of Nazo. I was using this one, the first one, the second one, third one, the fifth one, that one right here, and then this one right here. What else? Accidentally hit that one. That one accidentally. And then that one. Well, that was part of progress, I guess. Die! and then I used that one, and then I go back again, I think, and then yeah, I was using which one?
Knuckles!
No, not that one. That one. So yeah, this is all the tracks really, but I'm not using all of these really, because I'm not using Sonic stuff right now. So yeah, I'll do this one too. Same one, yeah. What else? Which one? I may use that one, that one, that one, or that one, and that one for fighting. Or that one. Which one I was using for fighting too? Yeah, I was doing this one too. Yeah, this one too. And then this one. That one actually. I was using that one. This one, because of the key blasts. That. This. And then boom. That death ball he's shooting. And then I was using the 2 chaos controls. So yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. So anyways, guys, I will do a live stream tomorrow, maybe around 2 p.m. around 3:45 p.m. at Blood Rocker. And you better if you want to subscribe and hit the bell and get ready to watch Clash of Clans, because that's the only one I'm going to do right now. Next weekend on Tuesday, maybe I will do a Fortnite one, or Dragon Ball Universe 2, my first Dragon Ball Universe 2 live stream. Or something else, kinda. But anyways, guys, yeah. Or I can maybe do the live stream a little more earlier, like 1 p.m. to around 3 p.m. But we'll see what happens, guys. So, anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. And always, guys, keep on rolling, baby.